I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, 20 degrees colder than normal in the upper teens to the mid-20s. Cold high pressure moves overhead from the Dakotas tonight. Light winds and clear skies allow for lows to range from 0 to 5 below and wind chills of 10 to 15 below. Southwest winds from an approaching low pressure trough. Warmer highs tomorrow into the upper 20s to the 30s. Widespread highs above freezing in the mid to upper 30s are likely on Thursday. Light snow and flurries are possible Thursday afternoon through Thursday night when a cold front tracks to the east. Behind that cold front, highs drop to mostly the upper 20s to the 30s for Friday into Monday. A disturbance diving southeast may bring a little light snow or flurries for Saturday night through Sunday. Otherwise, the forecast mostly quiet the next few weeks with no major winter storms on the horizon. In the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Sunday through January 20th likely to be colder than normal but not overly cold. During the middle days of January, central Nebraska daytime highs are usually in the upper 30s with average overnight lows in the mid-teens. Despite the mostly quiet pattern the next couple of weeks, it won't be completely dry. Overall precipitation chances for Nebraska and Kansas are indicated to be near normal to slightly above normal Sunday through January 20th. Key weather factors the markets are watching include cool temperatures in much of the U.S., another disruptive winter storm later this week in Argentina and southern Brazil, turning drier during a key time. Chilly weather continues to dominate the central and eastern U.S., with areas from the Central Plains to the Mid-Atlantic still recovering from the recent snow and ice storm. A new weather system starting to take shape across the southwestern U.S. and northwestern Mexico. Thursday, further intensification and an influx of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico leads to widespread precipitation across the southeastern plains and the western Gulf Coast. Wintry precipitation of snow, sleet, and freezing rain, a significant threat from northeastern Texas into the mid-south. Late week rainfall could total 1 to 3 inches in the western and central Gulf Coast. Early in the weekend, precipitation of various types spreads into the Atlantic coast. Also this weekend through early next week, quick-moving low pressure drops south with areas of snow for the northern U.S. Across the northern plains, the light snow this weekend helping very little with drought concerns. In southern Brazil, rain chances decrease the next couple of weeks, a concern for filling soybeans in Mato Grosso do Sul and Paraná and pollinating to filling corn in Rio Grande do Sul. Towards Argentina, soil moisture is likely to decrease even more with only spotty rain through next week, which increases the concerns for early planted corn that is pollinating to filling. For now, there are no big concerns for Argentina's late planted corn and soybeans, but it could start with above normal temperatures and decreasing rainfall. Central and northern Brazil are in good shape with widespread wet season rain benefiting soybeans in the filling stage. Very early harvest of soybeans in central and northern Brazil could be delayed, but the main harvest is still 2 weeks away. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of your ag weather.